Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. Today I will give you brief idea about temperature. What is temperature? So temperature means it is a sense of hotness or coldness of body, or it is also called it is a average of kinetic energy. It is a thermal property of a substance. Heat is transferred in a object due to temperature difference. Means to transfer the heat between the two object, minimum temperature difference is required, then and then heat transfer is possible. So it means that without temperature difference there is no any transfer of heat. So heat is a energy due to temperature difference, and temperature means it is a sense of hotness and coldness of body. Let us take example. For example, this is a hot cup of tea. So we can feel that okay, it is hot through the sense. For example, it is ice. Okay, so we can feel that this is cold. So it is a sense of hotness or coldness of a body. It is called temperature. We can measure the temperature by using thermometer, by thermocouple and infrared gun. There are so many instruments is available in market to measure the temperature. The unit of temperature is degree Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Okay, these are the units of temperature. This is the relationship between degree Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. So you can convert it from degree Celsius to Kelvin and Kelvin to Fahrenheit, okay, by using this relationship. Generally we are using degree Celsius and Kelvin in our day-to-day life, and suppose the temperature is given 25 degrees Celsius. So you can convert it into Kelvin by addition of 273. So 298, okay, it is converted into Kelvin. So I hope this information it will be helpful to you. If you would like to watch this type of more technical contents of physics and thermodynamics, then please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends. Thank you friends.